My name is Ravindra Jadhav. I live in Pune, Nanded city, and Gautam is my niece. So it was very pleasant working with AK Educational Consult. Yeah, I think the aptitude test the experience was quite good, and I think the best part which I liked about the aptitude test is it was only to know about the aptitude of the student, so that accordingly their academics can be then taken care of. I think it is fair for both the students who are graduating in India as well as on the foreign soil, because it will provide them a level playing field for all of them. There is enough amount of fairness and the transparency in the process which it will offer. I think I found it very professional, very clear. It had quite sense of humor, mix of all the kind of languages, cultures, people, and it was a very pleasant experience to be here. Yes, I'm quite satisfied with the financial dealings with AK. One of the problem what we face is the tough competitions, the low availability of the seats, and a very high fee structure in India. Yeah, I think the most important factor is the past experiences through common friends who have been already enrolled and studying in Russia. So their experience was quite useful, and even my personal dealings with AK Institute was quite helpful and transparent. Yeah, I think I would always prefer kids to study in the different environment, in different culture, different geographies, because it will offer them a good opportunity to develop themselves personally as well as professionally. And I think it will really offer them a very good amount of freedom to go through the overall experience. Primarily it is on the cost, because I found the cost of medical education in a country like Russia is quite economical, reasonable. The return on investments are quite high compared to India. I think the most common problem which we face, the social problem, is people often take it as a kind of a negative because they did not get admission admission in India. You have to opt for Russia, but then they don't really see the positive side of it, where a lot of people who have scored better in NEET, still they opt for foreign institutes over Indian institute. I think at the age it is all natural, it is all expected, but as a parent it is also our responsibility to ensure or to tap into a real interest of a candidate, because many times kids gets influenced by their friends, by their family members, but it's important as a parent to understand what exactly they want and accordingly guide them and advise them for the future. Yeah, I think it is true. Maybe we have been, as a parent, we have been too protective of our kids, but I think it is also our responsibility to ensure that we put them into a real life world and let them fail, let them learn, and I think they will definitely come off better self themselves. I think we need to, as a student, we need to be patient enough. We need to understand the different point of view or different opinion, and we have to respect it. And I think that is something which is not. This is a more of a generation gap, I would say, but can be addressed through proper guiding and the mentoring. I think everything in an excess is not good. So it has to be balanced. While the social network is all good, but as long as you use it for your good as well as for good intent, it is all good. But then if it is going to hurt anyone's feeling, then it is not advisable. So we have to be very, very cautious while we use our social networks. Okay, I think it is a very tough question, but I think as a parent, I would always expect my kids to really fly the sky, and I as a parent, it is my responsibility to give them all what they need to make their living and be successful in whatever they do.